Right, just about an hour left until sunset tonight. The temptation will be there to go out and enjoy what's left of this. A little chill this evening, though.
There definitely is, and it's especially true if you're at the ocean.
That breeze.
It is.
Man,
and
it's doing
funny,
damage today.
Today it's not a true sea breeze. It's being driven by where high pressure is way offshore. So it's got a little more oomph to it.
A little extra.
A usual sea breeze.
We don't need today.
Yeah, so something to remember if you're thinking of an after-dinner walk. Tomorrow we're going to have increasing clouds. I think there's a fair amount of sunshine in the morning. Your daylight hours are dry, except if you're up in the mountains or in northern Maine. For most of us, these showers come in tomorrow night. And then for Saturday, it's going to be breezy, but different from today, in that today we had a wind from the south. The wind on Saturday comes from the northwest. And when it's a northwest wind, the coast is actually the warmest, and that's how it will be on Saturday. And then for Sunday, sunshine, a lighter wind that may actually allow a true sea breeze to develop Sunday afternoon at the coastline. You can see what I mean by this isn't just a sea breeze. The southerly wind is deep and goes from way south of us up into northern New England. So it's only 40 in Rockland with that wind coming in off the ocean. But with no ocean influence in New Hampshire, it's 60 in Laconia right now. And parts of western Maine tomorrow will get into the 60s with a little bit more of a southwest wind. Few patchy clouds in northern Maine, but we have a quiet night tonight. This front is what will bring a few showers tomorrow night, but again, there isn't a lot with it. So for tonight, clear to partly cloudy skies, not as cold as last night, and you can thank the southerly wind for that. It keeps our temperatures in the 30s overnight tonight. We had some teens this morning. Tomorrow morning, a decent amount of sunshine, I think, and ahead of the cold front in western Maine up through the foothills, I think you'll be warmest tomorrow afternoon. Mid-coast and down east going to be coolest, and there could be a little fog that develops here in the afternoon, but you can see the line of showers is still way to the northwest, even at 6 o'clock. It's really just entering the mountains at that point. So before the clouds thicken up and the showers arrive, I think we're on a run toward the upper 60s around Freiburg and North Conway. And then when you have the influence from the wind, it's going to be considerably cooler, especially from Rockland through down East Maine. The Portland area, though, should make it into the middle 50s tomorrow. Tomorrow night, these showers slide through, but almost all of them are during the overnight hours. So by Saturday morning, we're waking up to drier weather. The wind direction has changed, as I mentioned, coming down from the northwest, which is why on Saturday, the coast is going to be warmest. Farther north, it will be a good deal cooler on Saturday, only the 40s in northern Maine. And that breeze may get a little gusty at times Saturday afternoon. High pressure building in for Sunday. That is the pick of the weekend. We'll have temps on Sunday in the low to mid 50s with a mix of sunshine and high clouds. Seas tomorrow, 2 to 4 feet. Southwest winds 10 to 20 knots on the water. So after the weekend, the big question next week is how warm do we get? Looks like there will be clouds and showers Monday morning, but Monday afternoon with any brightening, temperatures can get into the 60s. Inland areas, if it's dry enough Tuesday, could hit 70. I think the coast will stay in the 60s Tuesday. Showers looking likely Tuesday night into Wednesday. And again, it just depends on how many clouds, how many showers. If we get more of them, it's not quite as warm. If they hold off, it could be a little bit warmer. So some upside potential.
Frankly, if that's all we're really watching in the next 7 days, that's pretty good.
Yeah, the snowflakes are gone.
Very good. All right, Ryan, thank you.